So I wind up in a yeshiva. The name is here Yeshivat Meor Hagola. Somehow among the books, this forum, I have located a book, a bichel, by Shalom Aleichem. And at that time I knew how to read Yiddish because the Chumash that I was learning, everything was translated into Yiddish. Yiddish was the main language in the yeshiva. Everything was translated. So I started to read, and of course you read Yiddish, but Shalom Aleichem was writing half Yiddish, half Hebrew. And his Hebrew was from the, what we call the Medrashic Hebrew, the Rabbanut Hebrew, not the modern Hebrew. He was, because he himself was a rabbi and so forth and so on. So I'm reading and I recognize everything that was going on. And I'm very happy and I'm reading it. So I go over to one of the yeshiva bochers and I say, oh, I'm reading this book and I like it very much. And it is in Hebrew and in Yiddish. And so he looks at the book and he says, "Du Sheigatz, du." He called me in to the Rosh HaYeshiva, to the, and he shows him the book, and they started to yell at me, "Du Sheigatz," and they started to yell in Yiddish, "Was redst du, was lehnst du, and was du?" And I says, "A Yiddish bichel, you know," and this is in. So then, for the first time, I realized that there are books outside of the parameters of the religious circle. I never knew that. Until then, I did not know that there are secular books, that there are the Talmudic books and there are secular books. And I started to read. They were slapping me and apacha her and apacha hin, and because of that, somehow I revolted, and I started to read more and more and more in Yiddish because it was not accepted. And to me, my mama had read Yiddish. I mean, everybody was and that, as a matter of fact, I don't even know if my parents or my brothers knew Russian or Polish, because in their circle, in their seviva or environment, alles ist gewesen in Yiddish. So to translate the Chumash in Yiddish, that was kosher, but to read a book in Yiddish, that was not.